Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Monalisa Putri Anli, and today I would present my grammar project, Intermediate Grammar. In this presentation, I will discuss relative clause and correlative conjunction. After that, I will explain the error analysis for the part 2 for relative clause, degree of comparison, and correlative conjunction. I hope this presentation will help us and understand this grammar topic more clearly. Let's start the first my topic. My topic the part 1 relative clause. What is the first? What is the relative clause definition? And the first, I will explain a relative clause. A relative clause is a dependent clause that gives additional information about a noun or a noun phrase. It cannot stand alone as a complete sentence because it depends on the main clause. Relative clause help us make our sentence more specific and easier to understand. And I have the journal from according to Cornish 2017, my journal, and I look the journal. After that, I look is the relative clause. So next the slide. Type of relative clause. Type of relative clause. Types of relative clause. The first of diminishing relative clause, and the second. This type give essential intervening in the second. The second is non-defining relative clause. And the first, this type give essential information about a noun. Without this information, the meaning of the sentence become unclear. And the second, it gives extra information and is separated by command. Even if we remove this clause, the sentence still has a complete meaning. Look, I have the example, the student was to the everyday get good grade, the analyst had noun, student, relative pronoun who, and the phone section in the first the student. And I have the non-definition relative clause, the exam, my sister who lives in Jakarta is a teacher. The analysis had noun, sister, relative pronoun who, phone fun section added the extra information. Okay. We next the relative pronouns, and the relative pronoun clause use several relative pronouns. We use who for people, which is used for thing, who's shows position, where refers to place, and when refers to time. Choosing the correct relative pronoun is important because it makes the sentence grammatically correct. Okay, so I have a many example. The cafe where we meet in is very comfortable. The analyst had known in the cafe relative word where forgetting so the place. Okay, so I need manage my time. So we next the slide. Fun section of relative clause. Relative clause have several vocation. They indicate people or think more clearly. They provide additional information with not repeating the same noun. And they also make our reading and speaking more effective and easier to understand. I have a many example like um to company that produce electric car is branding, the analysis head noun, company, relative pronoun that, relative clause that produce electric car, type definition, relative clause, perfect function in the phase which company is being discussed. And my point, relative clause have already understand exactly which person or thing the specimen. Okay, we next the more the example I have for of relative clause. Here are some example of relative clause. The first example use we will because it refers to a person. The second example we use with because it refers to a thing. And the third example we use uses to show possession. And the fourth or the we use where for a place finally when it is used for the refers first time, and the last is the when finally the when is we use to refer to time. Okay, we next the discuss on the mind ID, and the mind ID is according to the journal by Francis Cornish. Relative clause are not only grammar structure but also have organizer information is communication. They make sentence more precise and help reader understand the intended meaning more easily. Why is this important? Because we need using relative clause word that can improve academic writing, speaking, reading comprehension, and sentence choosing. And the last and the part one, the contraction. In collection, relative clause are very important in English grammar. Why? Because they help us describe people, place, thing, and time more clearly by using relative clause correctly or speaking and writing become more natural and effective. Okay, now I will continue with my second topic, the correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are proofs of the conjunction that work together to connect word, phrases, or clause with equal grammatical importance. And the four common types are both and, either or, neither nor, and not only but also. This conjunction always occur in play. Type of the Each type has a different function because both an add to id and the either or givers a choice, neither nor express a negative choice because they not only but also give us emphasis. I have many example, but I don't need to reading a lot. So we make the next slide parallel structure. One important rule is parallel structure. This means the grammatical form connected by correlative conjunction because must be the same. Using parallel structure makes the sentence correct and easier to read. And we next the you you all can look the my slide. This is I have many example from the parallel structure, but I don't reading too much. So we next the slide. We set on the journal research method. Based on the journal, the research analysis in the organ student research article. The purpose was to identify the type and functional of correlative conjunction and the grammatical error made by student or we. And we next research finding. The results show that not only but also was the most frequently used type. Because meanwhile, neither nor was the least frequently used, and this finding so that students tend to use some correlative conjunction more often than that other. And the next example and grammar analysis, and I have five example. These are several example of correlative conjunction. They show how this conjunction connect equal grammatical element and make sentence more balanced. I have my note correlative conjunction connect nouns, parsers, clauses with parallel structure. In the construction summary, in collection summary, in collections correlative conjunction are useful because they can connect ID clearly and correctly. They also improve sentence structure and make communication more effective. Okay, and the part one I last, so we continue the my project part two, the topic about analysis error the paragraph. Error analysis correct paragraph. This correlative relative clause, degree of comparison, correlative conjunction. Okay, we next the relative clause to the original. The first paragraph is about relative clause. This a paragraph contain 10 grammatical error related to the use of relative pronoun, and the error include incorrect relative pronoun because the unnecessary pronoun, incorrect possessive form, and incorrect sentence structure. After identifying all the error, I correct each sentence beside on the grammar because the rule of the English relative clause and the slide 1 and 2, the error text in the first sentence in the incorrect word is the which. In the sentence say the student which want to complete is my friend. In this is incorrect because which is used for thing while who is used for people. Because therefore the correct sentence is the student who won the competition is my friend. In the second sentence, the parts who see book is incorrect. The sentence requires a possessive relative pronoun. Therefore, who is the correct choice because it shows that the book belongs to the professor. And the slide 3 and 4. 3 and 4, this third sentence use where is was renovated with incorrect. The clause describe the library is safe not the place where an action happen. Therefore, which which is more appropriate than where. In the fourth sentence, the past was he is incorrect because the sentence contains two subjects. The pronoun he should be removed. The correct sentence is I have a classmate who study linguistics every day. And the slide 5 and 6, the 50 sentence useful to refer to a laptop. Slide a laptop is a thing. The correct relative pronoun is which. In the sixth sentence is unnecessary because we already function as the subject of the relative clause because 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 the in the sixth sentence is unnecessary because we already function as the subject of the relative clause because therefore the correct sentence is the lecture would this syntax is very popular among students. Okay, and the seven and eight. In the seventh sentence, the parts discussed about is incorrect because the verb discussed does not need the preposition about. In the eighth sentence, the sentence should use was article because the article belong the research. And the slide 8 and 9 and 10. The ninth sentence contains two relative words that, and where, and the only one relative word in needed, so where is enough. And finally, in the tenth sentence, the pronoun is unnecessary because which already refers to scholarship. And the correct paragraph after correcting all 10 errors are rewrite the paragraph using the correct grammar. The correct paragraph use appropriate relative pronoun and follow the correct rules, the English relative clauses. Okay. We next the part 2, degree of comparison. I have original paragraph and my correct paragraph after the look the where the error paragraph, so I am within the slide this original paragraph and the correct paragraph. Okay, we look the error paragraph. In the first sentence, I more large is incorrect is incorrect. Sign large is a one sayable adjective. The correct comparative form is larger. And the second sentence, the most smartest is incorrect because it's used both most and as. The correct form is the smartest. Okay, the error 3 and 4. In the three sentence, more easier is incorrect. The adjective easy because easier in the comparative form. And in the fourth sentence, the greatest that then is incorrect because only two places are compared. There, therefore, the correct form is greater than. And in the 50 and the 6, fifth and oh sorry, in the 5 and the 6, and the 5 sentence interestinger is incorrect because the adjective interesting should become more interesting. In the 60 sentence, expensiver is also incorrect because the correct comparative form is more expensive. Okay, we next in the 7 and 8. In the seventh sentence, more best is a double superlative because the correct form is the best. In the eighth sentence, we look the more comparable should be changed to the most comparable because it's compressed one classroom with all classroom in the building. Okay, and the last part 1, 9 and 10. In the 9th sentence, most cheap is incorrect. The correct form is cheaper than. In the last sentence, better is incorrect because bad is an irregular adjective. The correct comparative form is worse. Okay, and the correct paragraph after correcting all the mistake, the paragraph use the correct comparative and superlative form according to English grammar rules. Okay, we continue the last part is three question correlative conjunction. The same I and the but in the slide original paragraph and the correct paragraph. In the question three this paragraph we talk about content and grammatical error importing incorrect conjunction part and in the incorrect parallel structure. I think it's same like question part one and part two. And the error in the first sentence both is incorrectly partly with or. Why? Because because the sentence in the both purpose and in the second sentence either is paired with and but is should be either or. And the 3 and 4 in the three sentence neither should be paired with nor not or because the verb is also changed to where 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 because it's agree with the native subject student. In the fourth sentence not only should be paired with but also not and also. And the fifth and the 5 and 8 5 and the 5 sentence will let us the rule of parallel structure because it combination collecting with to analysis. The correct form is collecting and analyzing. In the sixth sentence, the correct part is whether or, and the 7 and 8 sentence should use the fixed expression no sooner. Then the 8th sentence should use scarcely when not then. Okay, the last part is the error um, 9 and 10. In the ninth sentence, the correct expression is such and that because it expresses a result. In the last sentence, we rather than is the correct fixed expression, so also should be removed. And okay, and the last part, we talk about the correct and another paragraph or the three question of a paragraph. And finally, I reword the paragraph after correcting other grammatical error and I correct the paragraph, use the correct correlative conjunction and follow the rule of parallel structure. That is the end of my presentation. Through this project, learn how to identify the grammatical error, explain the grammar rules, and revise sentence, and look where the error sentence, and I correctly the sentence. So if I have a mistake, many pronouns and my grammar, I hope I need to improve my English and my writing about the I talk about my grammar and my presentation about this project. And thank you very so much for your attention and have a nice day.